Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. In today's episode from Tough Deck Builders Orlando, we are going to look at how to choose the right kind of shade for your deck or patio. If you have spent any time outside in an Orlando summer, you already know how important shade is. Without it, even a beautiful deck or patio might not get used as often as you hoped. The main options we will talk about are pergolas, covered patios, and roof extensions, and each one fills a slightly different role. Let us start with pergolas. A pergola is an open structure with posts and beams, often with slats or lattice on top. It gives you partial shade and a strong visual frame over your deck or patio. Pergolas can help cut down direct sun during parts of the day, and they create a clear room feeling outside without fully enclosing the space. Pergolas work well when you want some relief from the sun, but still like light and airflow. They fit nicely over seating areas, outdoor kitchens, and even hot tubs. You can add shade cloths or panels if you need more coverage. The structure itself needs to be built solid with proper footings and connections, especially when it is attached to a deck. Next, let us talk about covered patios and roof extensions. A covered patio typically has a solid roof supported by posts, often attached to the house. A roof extension goes a step further, continuing the home's existing roof line out over the outdoor space. Both options offer stronger protection from sun and rain than an open pergola. With a covered patio or extended roof, you can use the space in more kinds of weather. Rain showers are less of a problem, and the shade is deep enough to keep the deck surface cooler and more comfortable. This can make a big difference if you plan to spend a lot of time outside or set up an outdoor kitchen, TV area, or long table for family gatherings. Structure and permits matter more as you move from pergolas to full roofs. The weight of the roof, how it ties into the home, wind loads, and water drainage all need to be handled correctly. This is where working with a contractor who understands both deck building and roof structures is important. You want something that looks like it belongs with the house and also stands up to our weather. Materials are another piece of the puzzle. If you are building a long-term shade structure, it makes sense to pair it with a durable deck surface. Many homeowners choose composite decking, such as TimberTech, under pergolas and roofed areas. Composite holds up well under regular use, resists fading, and does not need the repeated staining that wood requires, especially in shaded, damp spots where wood can stay wet longer. The right choice depends on how you plan to use the space and how much protection you need. If you mostly sit outside in the evenings and want a lighter structure, a pergola might be perfect. If you want a true outdoor room you can use in midday sun and during light rain, a covered patio or roof extension may be worth the extra investment. If you are weighing your options and want help matching shade, structure, and budget, you can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com. We can walk your property, talk through how you use your outdoor space, and design something that actually works for Central Florida conditions. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Orlando. We will be back soon with more clear, down-to-earth advice for building outdoor spaces that stay useful, comfortable, and strong.